Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote Teepublic on Pinterest in 2024. Of course, Pinterest is a powerful platform for driving traffic and to your, of course, Teepublic store, especially for visual products like designs and artwork. So I'll guide you through the steps to set up maybe as an example an effective Pinterest board, and which is use of course of SEO friendly description and attracts more customers. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use the sorry you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. Just go to tpublic.com and hit the enter button. And of course, also, you'll need to go and open Pinterest. So, pinterest.com, hit the enter button as well. And this should take you into the home screen or main screen of Pinterest and also Teepublic. So once you are here, all you need to do, of course, just go and log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, go and create a new account. For me, as you can see, you can use Facebook or Google if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account, which I will do in here. I'll just go and log in with Google and I'll choose my account. And as you can see, to create your account, Google will share your name and your email address, your profile picture, Pinterest. So you can see the privacy policy in terms of service if you want, then click on continue. Once you do so, as example, you'll find yourself here. So we're having some trouble reaching you. Is this still your email? And yeah, I'm logged in, so I'll just go and skip for now. So anyway, as you can see, what you can do first is simply add your website if you have a website, which will help you a lot as well. So as we said, to promote your Public as example on Pinterest, you will need, of course, one more thing. If you're not logged in again in here, make sure to go and log in into your account as well. As you can see, this is my store. Of course, the first thing that you will need to do, like, make sure first of all to create some posts in here because like or some like things to sell because one is not enough and it's also like a very bad design in here. So you'd like to create first of all some trending designs and optimize your listing. Make sure to research some trending topics, maybe pop culture reference, and also some seasonal designs. You can use social media, of course, and platforms like Google Trends to understand what's currently popular. And as I said, you'll need to optimize your listing. Make sure to use some good keywords in the title, not like test t-shirts, and description as well. Make sure to add relevant tags. It helps you a lot. And of course, you can also promote on social media, run some discounts and promotions. An example here, builds a niche audience, collaborate with influencers, engage with the public community, and run some paid ads. As example, you can also run some paid ads on Pinterest. As example, so as example, I'll just type here run ads on like Pinterest. So Pinterest and hit the enter button. Once you do so, as you can see, advertising on Pinterest. You can do that in Pinterest. I'll come back to it later. You can also optimize for search engine, which is very, 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 very important. I guess the most important part is even much better or much important than of course sharing or promoting on your Pinterest. It's actually very important. Also, make sure to use some high quality mockups, not like this trash design I have here, this rectangle. It's nothing, it's actually bad. So, as we said, to promote on Pinterest, you'll need to create an account if you don't have one yet. Then, make sure to optimize your profile first, right? You would like to promote or to optimize your profile. Then, you'd like to design some high quality pins. Use some mockups, showcase like your design using some high quality mockups that display your products on t-shirts, mugs, or other items. For example, if you have like caps or something like that. Website like Placeit provides some professional mockups if you want to. So I'll just show you. You can go and check the rest by your own. So Placeit. This actually will provide you with excellent mockups. Other than that, of course, you would like to create some vertical pins because Pinterest favors normally vertical images. Probably it's going to be 1000 pixels over 1000 and a half, which is 1500 pixels. You can use some free tools like Canva to design some eye-catching pins with your Teepublic products. I've made a lot of videos on how to use Canva. You can go and check them out. Make sure to also use some text overlays, which will include like a catchy title or description on your pins, like funny cat t-shirts, maybe an example for cat lovers or something like that. You'd like to also to write some keywords or rich descriptions, pin constantly, pin regularly to keep your designs in front of potential buyers. Aim to pin, as example, at least one a day. Use tools like, I guess, Tailwind does that to schedule like the pins in advance and ensuring of course a consistent posting. Maybe you're not home today, you're traveling, you're having a family meeting or something like that. This actually will help you a lot. A tool called Tailwind. Just go and show you again. So Tailwind. Yeah, like that. As an example, this will help you. This will help you a lot. You can go and check it out again. And yeah, make sure to create also some themed like boards, join the group boards, comment on, basically just join the community. Use Pinterest ads. As you said before, you can go here and click on create ad as example, and you'll be able to start creating your ad. I've already made a video on how to create an ad specifically because it will require a lot of time if I want to show you in this video. So make sure to go and check that. Just go and click on create ads, of course, or you can follow the steps in here. I don't know why it's nothing showing in here at the moment. But of course, you will need a business hub, not just the personal account. Also, make sure to cross promote your Pinterest example on social media if you want to, and other stuffs. Also, make sure to track and analyze the performance of what you've done. If it's working correctly, you can simply increase the efforts. If not, you can test other things. And make sure, of course, to I don't know, keep a link to your store in here in Pinterest for sure, right? Like you have to. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for me today. So that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.